Today we'll be talking about GitHub, signing up to GitHub and creating repositories. These repositories are more like a folder that has the files that will create that will write our programs on. And these programs, let's say we want to save this, let's say in our shell, all those files, we want to save it in a cloud. This GitHub helps us to be able to save those files there, and we can retrieve it at any time, even if we want to connect using our system, that's using our PC. So let's get started. Okay, in order to sign up, let's enter our email address. Okay, sign up. Okay, let's create password. Then for username, let's say okay, I've entered the code and okay, here we'll put just me. Anything you want to select, you can select, but I choose not to select any. Continue for free. Okay, well done that. So now the next we'll do, in order to create our token. In order to create our token, what we need, where we need to go, we need to go to our profile. Then we'll click settings. Then we'll click developer settings. Then we'll click personal access token and green token. We need to generate a token. So we need to give it a name. Let's say my access token. My access token. Let's say we want to give it 90 days. In description, you can skip that. Generate token. And now this is the token for this profile. I will actually copy that, which you will need for creating our repository. Now the perfect way for you to create repository is for you to begin the step from the GitHub. First, you create new, you type the name. Let's say you want to name it first repository, first repo. Then you enter a description. You can skip that. It should be public. You skip other things, you create repository. Now after this step, What you see here is the repository name. You have to type it accurately. Then you enter your username at this point and your access token. That's the access token we generated. With this, if you enter this into your shell, it will simply clone. What I mean by clone, it will retrieve the repository you have there in your GitHub. And whenever you git push or you push any item into the cloud, you always have it there online. So what we do now, we have to test run this in order for us to get that our repository into our shell. So we need to copy this. We need to copy this. So that we can take that into our shell. Okay, now we need to edit of my username, and my username is shitty. So next we need to enter our access token. It should be first repo. Yes, so at this point, if we should list, you'll see the first repo is already there. So you can see at this point we've actually created our first repository. So from here we can actually seed into the first repository repo, and whenever you create a repo, always try to create a readme file, and which is actually done using the echo command. So you are going to type in the text my first readme, file. So at this point I've created this text, will be entered into the file you want to create. So that's it. So we have seen the video how to create our repository in GitHub and actually clone it into our shell. So next we'll talk more about making our shell very much ready so that we can be able to git push into our repository that is in the cloud, that is in GitHub. Thank you for watching.